Hello, in this video I will show you how to record screen on Motorola Moto G54. So you have to start with scrolling down on your main screen. Now do this motion again. Now scroll right on this quick access menu and now press start record. And here you can decide if you want to record audio and if you want to see show touches on the screen, and then click start and see countdown at the top of your screen, and now your recording has started. And if you want to stop recording, just scroll down on your screen and then click stop. And that's it, now your recording has been saved. So if you like this video, please remember to leave like and subscribe.